Chef Jason Tillman, Executive Chef, Triumph Restaurant here in the Iroquois Hotel, 49 West 44th Street between 5th and 6th Avenue. Today we're going to do healthy baked chicken. So easy, so much flavor, so simple. You guys are going to be so surprised. Really simple. Salt, pepper, the chicken in the oven, 8 to 12 minutes, done. Put it on a plate with a little lemon juice and extra virgin olive oil and vinaigrette of your choice if you want that, and you're done. Simple, easy, healthy baked chicken. Stick around. We're going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper to both sides. Really simple and easy, okay? We're going to do that to both sides. We have a hot pan. We're going to add a little bit of canola oil. Look at how hot. Not too much. We don't want to deep fry it. We're not deep frying it. We're baking it. So very little oil. We're going to go ahead, skin side down. We're doing the skin side down because we want to get that skin nice and crispy, okay? Not going to shake it around, not going to move it around. We're just going to take it nice and easy, let it get nice and crispy and golden brown. Then we're going to flip it, and we're going to put it in our oven, and we're going to bake it. And this chicken's going to take probably roughly between, I'm going to say 9 and 12 minutes. So make sure everything else is ready before we do our chicken. Okay, guys, so look at that. Nice and golden brown. Boom. Flip it up nice. And we're going to go right ahead in the oven, and we're going to cook that for about 9 minutes at 350 degrees. So once that chicken comes out of the oven, that's it. Healthy, baked chicken. We're going to go ahead and put it on our plate. Really, really simple. Salt, pepper. We're going to put a little bit of fresh herbs on top. Now, you can do this at home and add pretty much whatever you'd like to it. If you want to put it over rice, you want to put it over mashed potatoes, you can put it over a salad or heirloom tomatoes. But healthy, baked chicken. Thank you very much for joining me today in my kitchen. Jason Tillman, Executive Chef, Triumph Restaurant here in the Iroquois Hotel. We'll see you soon.